We are experts in the production of plunger components. We use first-class raw materials, top-notch production technology, and top-notch heat treatment equipment. All raw materials are strictly screened after entering the factory to check diameter, appearance defects, material composition, etc. Our Piston Assy production line provides batch processing of pistons and provides supporting services with famous OEMs such as Sany, XCMG and Zoomlion. Our plunger component production process includes material soaring, material heat treatment, automated turning, heat treatment, grinding, super finishing, semi-finished product inspection, fully automatic bag collection, surface grinding. The product's high stability, reliability and durability have gained a good reputation in China, and gradually, we brought this reputation overseas. The closing process of our pistons and slide shoes is essentially a fully automated process. In the future, we will use AI humanoid robots to complete placement and picking operations, realizing a fully automated unmanned workshop and further reducing labor costs. We provide all types of piston assembly products and customized services, including Rexroth, Kawasaki, Komatsu, Hitachi, Caterpillar, Danfoss, Parker, etc.